Hello, we are the members of Team 23 UX Hunters. A group of four were working on redesigning the concept and layout of the most known e commerce website of Amazon as our CMPD 481 project. In this video, we will be trying the most we can to get you through our work. Our main aim for this project was to analyze and evaluate some of the features which we found to be problematic for the user. Our goal was to make the interface components more accessible to the user and make it more user-friendly for all types of users, including the non-technical to the most experienced user. We used vertical sliced approach for this project. We were majorly focusing on three interfaces, which is our home page, the item description page, and the cart page. Though we expanded ourselves to work on more things than we planned initially. Starting from the home page, we worked on making things more accessible, like adding the wishlist button, notifications and updates button, and the cart button. On the left side, we added the user's account information directly accessible to the user without having them search for it anywhere on the page. We tried to make the categories as more visible elements on our page, and also the help and contact us as more visible. Rather than displaying too much information on the page and making it more cluttered and confusing for the user can simply view all the products on sale and other products by using the Browse Products button and See All Products button. The user can view all the categories by the button Categories on the left side. The buttons which are working on the home page are the wishlist button, which navigates the user to their own wish list, the cart button, which takes the user to view their cart. Now, to search for the specific product, we just type the name of the product in the search bar and click the search icon. This takes us to the page where there are all the products listed on the page which are more aligned. To go to the item description page, click on the first camera product. The main goal for this item description page was to bring out the elements more aligned and focused on more informative elements on the page. We put the product description in a scroll pan to have more proximity by grouping the similar elements together. Adding more onto proximity principle, we grouped the add to cart, buy now, and quantity options all together. We can scroll through the images by clicking the arrow button and to enlarge each images which are listed on the bottom. For repetition, we plan to keep the price of the product twice on the page. We also group the similar products you might like in a row to maintain the alignment as well. We added a drop down for customer reviews where the user can view all the reviews made by the other users. Moreover, we also have a shortcut button for customer reviews which directly takes the user to view all the reviews. Coming back to the product, we showed a pop-up notification when an item is added to the cart. This makes sure about the feedback to the user and makes the system status more visible. We also made the add to wishlist buttons working. The user can also alter the quantity by using the increase and decrease button for the quantity. To make the search more broadened for the user, we can click on any of the categories on the left panel of the page. When we click to the camera in the category, the user can navigate to all the cameras listed on the website. This page also gives the user to have the option for the filters on the left. When we click on a product, it takes us again to the product description page for that particular product clicked. Now, for going to the cart, the user can just click on the Buy Now button. This makes the user directly navigate to the cart page. Now, for the cart page, the user can scroll through the cart to view all the products, which again maintains the proximity principle. Adding more to this, we group the total, subtotal, and shipping and handling fees together to maintain the proximity. We can also add the item to the cart from saved for later column. The user also has the freedom to remove the product from the cart using the delete button. This removes the product from the cart. Let's proceed to the wishlist page. The user can also add the item directly to the cart just by clicking add to cart button. This page has a difference where the user can get the freedom to alter the quantity again on the wishlist page. To conclude our presentation, the vertical slicing approach was a valuable methodology for our project on redesigning the Amazon website. It allowed us to break down the complete task of redesigning the entire website into smaller and more manageable components. This approach allowed us to make changes more quickly and efficiently. Overall, the vertical slicing approach was an effective methodology for our project. Thank you.